Part 3 ng finance lesson sa Parable of the Talents. Did you notice the master never said, "Just keep my money safe"? He expected growth. Sabi niya, when the two servants multiplied what was entrusted to them, "Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been trusted with little, now I will entrust you with more." In our time, it means invest consistently, build assets, reinvest profits, grow skills, create systems. Verse 29 says, "To everyone who has, more will be given." This is the law of multiplication. In business, reinvest profits. In investing, compound returns. In life, grow capacity. God is not against increase. He designed increase. But multiplication requires responsibility, faithfulness, action, long-term thinking. Kingdom wealth is not overnight hype. It is faithful growth over time. So today, stop thinking survival. Start thinking multiplication. Believe in Jesus, my friend. He is the master who rewards faithfulness. Comment this: I multiply what God gives me. Blessed to be a blessing.